Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Aditi and we talk all things interior here. So if you're renovating your space or trying to make it more beautiful and more functional, consider subscribing to our channel. I'd really love to see you here more often. Organizing every room in a house can feel like a tough thing to do, but with the right organizing ideas and strategies, you can have a home that is neat and tidy. Make sure that you allow yourself enough time to accomplish this huge undertaking and don't put too much pressure on yourself to finish quickly. Instead, enjoy the undertaking and remember the beneficial results that even a little bit of organization will bring to your life. So, let's get started. Shoe boxes prevent your shoes from getting dusty and damaged by other shoes being thrown on top of them. For functional organization, purchase clear shoe boxes so you can easily find all of your shoes at a glance. Many of these boxes even allow you to open them at the front so that you don't have to shift stacks of boxes to get to the pair of shoes that you want. Instead of thinking of it as a junk drawer, think of it more as a everyday necessity drawer. A mix of items typically ends up in this drawer, including batteries, paper clips, scissors, tape, and other odds and ends. The phrase junk drawer insinuates the drawer is filled with trash and useless items. But an everyday drawer explains exactly what it is, a drawer that you need to access frequently for various useful items. Viewing the drawer this way might help to prevent you from cramming it with items that you actually should get rid of. It can be a hassle to find the spice which you're looking for at the time of cooking. If that's the case, opt for a step organizer for spices placed in deep cabinets. A tiered organizer allows you to have easy access to your spices and see the names of all of them at once. Now, your food will never burn on the stove as you rummage through the cabinet to find the spice that you need. Taking advantage of doors is an easy way to add storage space. Over-the-door storage units are often used for shoes and they can typically fit anywhere from 12 to 24 pairs. Another way to utilize this organizer is to store beauty supplies in it, such as hairbrushes, curling irons, hair straightener, hairsprays, and lotions. Maximize the storage capacity and organization of your drawers with drawer organizers or dividers. One drawer divider instantly creates separate categories for the space and everything in your house will have its own place. You're typically also able to fit more items in each drawer because the dividers make it easier to stack things vertically. Hooks come in handy when you want to utilize the wall space, especially if you're living in a small home or an apartment. There are a lot of items that stay perfectly organized on hooks, including backpacks and hats. Plus, hooks are inexpensive and easy to install. One creative way to organize nail polish is to create a nail station on the wall, similar to the ones you see in salons. You can also make a portable nail polish caddy that holds files, polish, and polish remover. That way, you can pick it up and move it wherever you want to do your nails. Glass jars are an attractive way to organize your makeup brushes. They make it easy to grab which brush you need and have the benefit of being decorative. Simply fill the jar with beads and marbles and then just stick the brushes in it. This method keeps brushes in place but still allows for quick access. Bins are a terrific way to organize children's toys in one place. Large items such as stuffed animals, dolls, and sports balls tend to take up a lot of space, and it can be difficult to find a suitable storage spot for them. But bins come in many sizes, so you should be able to find a spot to keep these items organized and out of the way when they're not in use. When all the items have a designated storage space, it is easy to keep your house organized. Put like items with like items. For example, don't allow writing utensils to be scattered all over your home. Instead, use a drawer or other organizer designated for them in one spot. ROIC is every professional organizer's favorite item. This acronym stands for all the colors in a rainbow. It can help you organize clothes in your closet by color and make them visually appealing. You can also color code your books, craft supplies, and any other category of items that has multiple colors. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.